I'm Froggy.
And I'm Little Froggy.
We are at Toy Fair 2019 getting ready to see what's new from Mattel. Toy Story 4 is in theaters June 21st. And of course, there are a lot of toys to go along with the movie. There is a 7-inch Buzz Lightyear action figure and lots of favorites like Woody, Jessie, and Little Bo Peep. Is Bullseye articulated? Yes! Barbie is fully articulated, and there is a Little Bo Peep fully articulated fashion doll. DC Superhero Girls. This year, they have a whole new look. Coming this fall, they have the Teen Life to Superhero Action Dolls. Rocking their everyday teen outfits, then they can switch into their superhero costumes. They are posable, they have new face sculpts, and new fashion. You can also find them in their iconic superhero suits with their well-known logos. And did you notice that they are different heights? I love that detail.
Go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body? But you never go back this road, you never go back that way. I see you standing in the corner like it's okay. Don't you know that you move with your body? Don't you know that you move with your body?
Polly Pocket, Tiny is Mighty. I see a lot of new play sets here, including the Polyville Mega Mall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stories, complete with an elevator and parking garage. Polly has a house with lots of accessories. I even see a little dog house in the back. There's an arcade and a diner. And you can turn them around and build your own Polyville. And what's really exciting is that Polly turns 30 this year. In July, you'll be able to find the original Polly Pocket in stores. In spring, you can find hidden hideouts. Each one of these have a little surprise hidden inside. When you open them up, you can see a whole new world. Excited for 2019.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!